Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Welcome back to another round of street vlogging, and this is where we discuss issues pertaining to our homeland. We mean Anambra State, Igbo, and Nigeria. And today we are going to discuss about several things happening, and we are going to analyze them in the way that will bring a positive outcome. And our main objective in this channel is to entertain, bring innovation, and also to educate. And remember, our homeland must be livable and a prosperous homeland, and a final destination and not a departure point. And what that entails is that we will always bring wonderful ideas, and also to basically neutralize negativity and all its associates. So before we do, remember to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. And by subscribing, you are helping to expand the reach of this channel. And I am so Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. So what are we talking about today? There was news flying all over the place, allegedly, that one of the political parties candidates in Anambra State allegedly spent over 3 billion just to buy over the delegates for their party primaries that happened last week. And this caused a lot of mouth wagging about, and people were talking about what is this all about. And why they are saying all those things is because they know that these guys spending this money are basically chasing shadow, because they don't even have a chance of even winning their own local government in this election. And considering the hardship in the country, people are basically on the mercy of these politicians. So if this alleged 3 billion, over 3 billion was spent, you can imagine what this money would do to the suffering people in Anambra State and in Nigeria. So now, a friend once told me about that recently he installed solar power in his home, and he said he spent in total 2 million naira to install the solar panel which powers his house. And I asked him how many batteries. He said to me he put 2 batteries, but although that the installer said he needed 4 batteries, and he put between either 4 or 6 solar panel. I don't remember anymore. But so, and inverter and other things. So all of them, the total money he spent was 2 million. So on telling me this, I now reach out to the person that did that to him, did the job to him. And the man said, yes, that it's true. And that he did advise him to put 2 more batteries, because he's using it to also draw water from his borehole. And the borehole is over 150 feet deep down. So I now asked my friend, what is the production level of this solar panel or solar energy? He said to me that he powers his the borehole anytime he want to get water, that he normally use it to power the borehole mostly in the afternoons when the sunshine is there. So that in the night, what he does is that anytime he power the borehole, because it's not every day, he does that once a week, he will fill around 2 tanks or 3. So now in the night, on that day, he now ration his electricity by switching some of the, like his fridge, the fridge is using in his home. So but the light and all that thing, fan, television, all of them will remain till the next morning. So now, that during the afternoons is not a problem because that the sunshine is there. So meaning for him, he has almost 24-hour electricity, because during the day he goes to his work and back again in the evening, and that's how he's been doing it. And I said, that's very cost effective then, if you are having all those power. And based on what he's told me, I now look at what 3 billion, allegedly 3 billion spent by this political party, not political party, the candidates for one of these top political parties in Anambra State last week on their gubernatorial primaries. So I noticed that that 2 million, that 3 billion, allegedly 3 billion, would basically give between 1,000 to 1,500 or 1,700 homes, at least 18 hours electricity in Anambra State. So that people would have escaped from the problem of power supply, the epileptic power supply in the country. Yeah, basically that's what he said. So I now look at 1,500 to 1,600 people in a village. Basically, you have turned that village around. You have turned the place around. That's what it means. So basically, that's what that money, alleged 3 billion, would have done, and the whole thing would have changed a lot of life, because once you have electricity, there is possibilities of production, because electricity helps to increase productivity. Because why things are not being produced in Nigeria is because there's no electricity, and the government in all levels are not even pursuing it with aggressiveness, but they just saying lip service about it, saying about supporting industry, but no electricity. There is no push to put electricity. So think about that. What alleged 3 billion spent would have done to a community. That's on electricity. If I put it in other things, you will know what this will entail. So basically, and if you look at it, if that 3 billion, you can actually set up people like between 2-3 million or 4 million people. You would giving 1 million each to everybody, you would have set up something like between 3,000 people or 4,000 people on small scale businesses. So I don't know what you think about that. Do you think it's wise for them to be spending this alleged money? Do you think it's wise? Do you think it does good to a country many people are suffering? So go to the comment section, drop your own piece, because we want to make our homeland the best, and your suggestion always very important in this. So thank you very much for your help, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am still Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. See you in the next one, and God bless you. Bye.